Hello, welcome to our Nottingham site, our Talisi award-winning landscape project for 2023. We're here today to have a talk to our clients and have a walkthrough about this project. A quick overview of the project was the clients wanted a very minimalist, very modern contemporary garden to go with their lifestyle, and also the interior of the garden. As you can see, we've used a lot of composite decking and shadow gap from Piranha and artificial grass because these are very busy people. We introduced Piranha Decking into this new project of ours because it's been tried and tested, and we've been using it now for over 2 years. We very much like the product from an installation point of view, and our clients tend to really like the finished products. This particular client in Nottingham, they wanted lots of charcoals, lots of greys. They loved that sort of black vibe, so that's why we went with the shadow gap behind me, just to complement the whole aesthetics of the total project and give them that really nice enclosed privacy feel.
So the benefits of the cladding is that when you do clean it, it comes up as new. So we've had the garden now for nearly a year and it looks as good as it was when we first had it installed. The style that we wanted to implement, we wanted to extend the house into the garden. So the greys and the materials that we use, we wanted to complement the inside of the house. So we've now created
room outside.
Room outside, absolutely.
Yeah.
Rather than seeing it as a garden, it's more of an extension of the house.
The benefits of installing composite decking and shadow gap is, from traditional materials, are the calibrations. We get a really clean finish and we get uniformity across the whole project.